And that happened when we got to Paris. I had a tough semi-final, dived really well, but just missed out. And one of the first people that was there for me was Jack. And to see him there to console me in that situation was um, something I really needed. So after I moved to Edinburgh, I wanted to get a bit more involved in coaching. I needed it as a source of income, but I also like kind of giving back to my sport as much as possible. So I was given like a little group of divers. There was like between 8 and 10 of them sometimes. So it was a bit chaotic. They were between 9 and 11 years old. So they were just super energetic and like the energy was too much sometimes. Honestly, it was a lot for me, particularly when I just finished training and then had to like just refocus to deliver a coaching session to them. It was hard to make that switch, but also it was really good because no matter what happened in my training session, whether it was a good one or a bad one, they did not care.